Hey everyone, super excited to do this unboxing video of my new iPhone 13 mini in the midnight color. This will be replacing my 6-year-old iPhone SE first generation, which I've done plenty of videos on. Check out my channel. And if you do follow my channel, you know that I got this iPhone 13 mini for free using credit card points. I did a shorts video on that. You can check it out. I'll put a link at the end of this video. So if you are a Chase credit card holder right now until the end of this month of November, your Chase Ultimate Reward points are worth 10 to 50% more value when you use it towards Apple products. Normally I don't recommend using points to buy merchandise, but in this case you're getting more than 1 cent per point value out of your points, so it may be a good thing to consider. So if you're curious about how to get into credit cards and how to maximize your points, definitely subscribe to this channel. But basically, after I placed the order through Chase's Ultimate Rewards store, I got an email confirmation that my order was placed, and 3 days later, I got another email saying that my order has shipped. And then it only took 1 business day to get it to my doorstep. So it shipped on a Friday, it arrived on a Monday. So here it is, really excited. Let's go ahead and get right into it. If you bought Apple products online before, you know that they come with very minimalistic cardboard packaging that requires no scissors or knives to open. You can see this one was shipped via FedEx overnight. It arrived on a weekday and there's no signature confirmation. So if you know you're getting this and you don't know if you'll be home, make sure that you maybe hold it at a FedEx location. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open it up by pulling this tab that has a little arrow on it. And just like that, I'm able to open up the cardboard box to reveal the iPhone in its own little box. And there's no other paperwork or anything else. The rest is just the cardboard box folded in upon itself for the extra padding and protection. And the whole thing is recyclable. So now let's take a look at the iPhone box itself. The imprint on the front is pretty much true to size. It's also pretty much true to color. You can see that's the midnight color that I got. And feeling the camera section of the picture, it's actually a little bit glossy, interesting. And then on the sides is just in black iPhone and the Apple logo. It doesn't color coordinate to the color of iPhone that you chose. And then on the back, you can see I have the iPhone 13 mini designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and a couple of the specs as well as what comes in the box, just a lightning cable. And then on the bottom, you can find the storage size. You can see I have the 256 gigabyte version, of course, the color down there as well, and then also serial and model number, which I'm covering up currently. But without further ado, let's go ahead and break the seal. Here's one at the bottom. And here's another one at the top. And there it is. That's the iPhone 13 mini in the midnight blue color. It's the darkest color you can pick. And just like my iPhone 11 unboxing, you can see inside the box actually has a further indentation to match with the camera bump on this iPhone. Saving the best for later, let's also see what Apple is still providing in their boxes these days. So you do get a Lightning to USB Type-C cable about 3.3 feet long. And then we have the little paper pocket. Once again, the verbiage designed by Apple in California. And then the copyright year is 2021, the year that the iPhone 13 mini was released. And because I did get the unlocked version, here is a SIM card tray ejector tool. I do believe the ones that are not unlocked don't come with this. And the iPhone 13 line is actually the last iPhone sold in the US anyways to have a physical SIM card tray. So another reason why I picked this over the newer iPhone 14 models. Not to mention this is the last mini iPhone you can get, at least in the foreseeable future. And then crammed into this fine print manual is basically the regulatory stuff, the legal stuff, and the warranty information. And you get that single little Apple logo sticker. So that's everything you get out of the box. But now to, of course, the star of the show. And I just appreciate the small details that Apple includes, like including the icons on the protective film here on the iPhone, matching with the different ports and buttons that can be found on this iPhone. So just going ahead and removing that protective film, here is the brand spanking new naked iPhone. If you're hoping for a space gray or black colored iPhone 13 mini, unfortunately you're out of luck, so this is as close as you get. I would say it does look black in certain lighting, but right now you can definitely tell that it is blue against my black countertop. So here on the left side you still have that lovely mute switch, as well as the volume buttons and physical SIM card tray. On the bottom you have some asymmetric speakers and of course that lightning port. Right side is still basically the power button, and there is that little oval for the 5G antenna band. The back has a single Apple logo inside a glossy glass that's already attracting a lot of lens. But situated in the frosted glass is the camera modules, the wide angle and ultra wide angle with the flash and stereo microphone. The front features an OLED screen with a smaller notch with the 1080p front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. Because I did get this in November of 2022, iOS 16 has come out, and that is what it comes with right out of the box. Not going to cover the entire process in this video as that would take a little bit too long, but if you guys are interested, I can make a separate video on it. Just let me know in the comments. But that'll do it for this unboxing video. Of course, I have my screen protector and case ready to go to protect this new investment. So stay tuned to this channel for the full reviews on those two products, as well as any future comparison videos of this phone against other iPhones.